Welcome to the brink of a new year, the dawn of fresh opportunities and the inception of innovative ways to generate wealth. As we bid farewell to 2023 and welcome 2024, it's high time to discuss 5 intriguing ways to make passive income in the upcoming year. The first method on our list is investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares in companies which pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders. This method is a classic, but it's all about strategy. It's about investing in companies with a history of paying out high dividends and having the patience to wait for the returns. Remember, it's not about quick profit, but consistent income over time. Second, we have peer-to-peer lending. This method involves lending your money to individuals or small businesses in return for interest. Platforms like Prosper or Lending Club can help you get started. The key here is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different loans to mitigate risk. Next up is real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short. REITs are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate. By investing in a REIT, you can earn a share of the income generated without having to buy, manage, or finance any properties yourself. The fourth way to generate passive income is through creating a blog or a YouTube channel. It might sound old school, but with the right content and marketing strategy, these platforms can be a goldmine. The trick here is to find a niche that you are passionate about and that has a demand in the market. Last but not least, consider creating an online course or ebook. If you have a specific skill or knowledge that others find valuable, why not monetize it? Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing make it easy to get your course or ebook out to the world. In conclusion, the 5 ways to make passive income in 2024 are: investing in dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, investing in REITs, creating a blog or YouTube channel, and creating an online course or ebook. Remember, the key to successful passive income is patience, strategy, and diversification. Here's to a prosperous 2024.